Hello again, guys. So, guys,
We have an accident happen.
yeah, because of my cousin,
Okay, now let's put the
she accidentally put tissue.
This is the strongest accident.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So, like, my cousin
So like, oh my god!
is turning gooey now. Guys, do you want to see the real pinkish color? Okay, guys, you can't
You
see
cannot
it.
see. It's like
Okay, I'm sorry, guys, but you could not see that because it is literally
we need
pink.
salt. I forgot to put salt.
Yeah, we forgot to put salt, guys.
Hindi mo naman alam eh.
I know it.
Look, Shani, you see the thickness?
Oh.
Hold this, mixing.
Okay, guys, now I'm going
Help
to
me
mix
naman.
it.
You're just vlogging there.
Okay, guys. Super
Give
duper gooey. Okay,
You
guys.
don't know how to mix like that. Kasi.
So, like, guys, it kind of looks like, in the filter, it kind of looks like blue. Blue or white. Don't mind her face. That's an ugly face. I meant the emoji that she's doing. That's an ugly one.
Okay, we need to wait this for a couple years.
I meant 24 hours. Okay, guys, so like we're going to see you tomorrow if the video's done.
No? Mamaya.
So like guys,
I put like a lot. It's gonna turn liquidy. Oh no, it's turning fine.
okay guys, so like I think my cousin accidentally did an accident. Here's what it looks like.
Now you can see the pink.
Yeah, you could only see a little bit of the pink. It looks like pink. It looks like peach, but it's not peach, it's pink. Guys, it's like turning into slime.
This is just glue, okay? We're making glue.
Why did you not tell me that? I thought we were making slime. Okay, guys.
It's
so
just
you're
a
gonna
glue,
touch
bro. A joke is a slime.
it.
And then we're gonna put
Okay,
the
guys. So,
activator.
like, bye. It's almost finishing. Bye.